This week we have 6 new sight words. The first word is the word began. Can you say began? Good job. Let's go ahead and spell it. B-E-G-A-N. First, I began drawing my picture and then I did my writing. The next word is the word better. Can you say better? Good. Let's go ahead and spell better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Brownies are better than cake. This is the word guess. Can you say guess? Let's go ahead and spell guess. G-U-E-S-S. Can you guess what my favorite color is? The next word is learn. Can you say learn? Good job. Let's go ahead and spell it. L-E-A-R-N. I like to learn in school. This is the word write. Can you say write? Now this is a different kind of word than to actually write on a piece of paper. This is like turning right. Let's go ahead and spell right. R-I-G-H-T. I had to turn right when I went to my classroom. Our last word is the word sure. Can you say sure? Good, let's go ahead and spell it. S-U-R-E, sure. Are you sure we got the right answer? All right, let's go ahead and practice really quick. Began, better, guess, learn, write, sure. Now go ahead and see if you can beat me. Say it before I do. Began, better, guess, learn, write, sure. Now you're going to head on over to your packet and you're going to do your I Spy sight words. You're going to see these 6 sight words on the top of your page, and you're going to go ahead and color in each square with one of these sight words in it to find the mystery word.